Ready, set, bake. Say I did it for love when you bake a heart-shaped cake with this specialty cake pan. A must-have for Valentine's Day baking, bridal showers, weddings and anniversaries. Performance: the Wilton aluminium baking pans are unique for many reasons. Aluminum's uniform heat conduction makes for an even, light golden finish, while being warp and rust resistant for commercial-level performance. Durability: this Wilton cake pan has a sturdy construction which ensures even heating in long wear. The wide, flat rim is also handy for keeping a secure hold on the pan while transporting or flipping. Care instructions: before, first and after each use of your heart-shaped cake pan, hand wash in warm, soapy water, do not put in dishwasher. Includes 8-inch Decorator preferred aluminum heart cake pan, 8 by 2 in, 23.5 by 5 centimeters, with lifetime limited warranty. Say I did it for love when you bake a heart-shaped cake with this specialty pan. A must-have for Valentine's Day baking, bridal showers, weddings and anniversaries. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I wanted. Pretty fast shipping too. Just fine. Came fast. Love this pan. Use Wilton non-stick pan coating with it though. I found the first homemade batter cake I made stuck, so I decided the next time to use the professional non-stick coating and it worked out perfect without incident. Love this pan.